The focus today is skin and smelling good. I'm gonna start off with Makeup Forever's Skin Booster Skin Tint. Place that right in the back of my hand. My upstairs neighbors, by the way, are going to be the death of me. They are so loud. Adding a little bit of the Rhode Glazing Milk to it. This is that Hailey Bieber Effect. See how this is still looking like skin, but it is giving us a little bit of coverage. Undetectable. Because my neighbors are so loud and I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Vanish Concealer. This is literally called Magic Vanish for a reason. I know you see that difference. Again, the main focus is skin, so I'm going in with the Victoria Beckham Contour Stick. This is kind of like a one and done. You can hit your cheeks, your forehead, your nose. You can use it as eyeshadow. You can contour your lips with it. And then just start to blend that out. This blends out so easily, you can see. And I just like to use my fingers to blend in my nose contour. Going to set our face with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. This one's gonna have a glowy finish because again, you wanna keep this so glowy. We added a milky essence to our face, so we need one for our body. This is by Cycler, this is their milky essence. If you're not using a milky essence on your body yet, this is your sign. Then also from Cycler, you're gonna take their perfume oil. My favorite is in Vanilla Verve. You're gonna place that right on the inside of your wrists and on your collarbones. And then last but not least, to really wrap all this up, you're gonna use a hair and body mist. And the reason why I say hair and body mist is because your hair is really going to make sure that you have that really good projection. You will smell like a vanilla almond milk latte with this.